If you want to get more sales on Google Ads, then this small video may be very helpful for you, because in this video I will be revealing 4 of the points where you can optimize and get more sales with Google Ads. And before I start, let me introduce myself. My name is Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as the owner of a Google partner company. And now let's move forward on how you can get more sales with Google Ads. So there are four areas where people have problems, and I have presenting you with 4 solutions for all of the 4 areas through which you can get more sales. So this is a quick and short video on how you can optimize it. So in case if you are getting low clicks on your Google Ads campaign, you need to target the right audience, so you are missing it. So focus on it, do a proper research, and the comparator analysis can teach you a lot. If you hire me and my team, we have been using the tool SpyFu, but you can use SMrush or any other tool as per your convenience. We are a member over here with SpyFu, so we are using it, but you can use any and optimize your keyword research on it. So now point, if you are having high CPC, high cost per click, it means that you need to choose the best keywords. You are not choosing the best keywords, and every relevant keyword is not the targeted keyword. So focus on it, find the keywords with the intent. Think of a user as an intent. When he is searching a specific topic, what thing he has in his mind, so related with your ad copy. So for every keyword, I highly suggest you to have a customized ad, and if possible have a personalized landing page. So with this relevancy, you can increase your quality score and more conversions, which will also result in reducing the CPC plus improving the conversion rate as well. So you will get double way benefit, because higher the quality score, lower the CPC, and by optimizing the keywords, you can also increase the conversion. So you are getting benefit with both two. And in case if you are having the problem of high CPA, cost per action, it means that you need to optimize your landing page experience, and it is because of the landing page experience, poor landing page experience, you are getting high CPA. Guys, you need to understand, you are paying for money for each visitor to land on your website, so need to optimize your landing page experience at any cost. And the fourth point is low ROAS. It means that if you are getting low return on ad spend, it means that you need to improve your average order position. You need to improve your average order position. And how you can do it, you can bundle with other offers, and in the checkout procedure you can suggest other products as well. People who have bought this product also bought these products, so give bundle offers, or in your funnel add other products as well, so you can increase your ROS. So for your ROS, the best formula is to work on your AOV, average or order value. So I hope you like this video, and in case if you or an audience needs a detailed Google Ads audit, setup, or management services, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description, and we look forward to working with you. Take care and bye bye.